I consider them as like the queen, the reina of the eyeshadows. Hi, mabuhay! Welcome, it's Alacat Castle, your transgender Filipino YouTube makeup artist with the heart. And on today's episode, we will be doing a product review on, guess what? The Viseart Professional Makeup Paris Petit Pro Trois eyeshadow palette that I got from the Ipsy pop-up. Yes, and this one I just got it for $12. So without further ado, let's do this and talk about anything in life. And today, I'll be a little bit extra. Yes, just because I feel it. So today, I'm gonna be weird as well. So without further ado, let's open her. Yes. So once you open her, the good thing about this one is that it actually comes with this film. So on transit, actually, I think the product actually shook a bit. So there's some product right on the film. And I already did this eye. So we will recreate this eye on the other side. On the other side. So without further ado, let's begin. And I already prepped my eye with the Beauty Crop Suck On You eyeshadow primer. So first, let's start with a darker color right here, which is the dark green. Mabuhay! Yes! Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be weird, but you know what? I'm going to be fun as well. Because you know what? That's what life should be is, right? You know what? If you actually have the time to do some self-care, and part of my self-care is really just making myself amused all the time with my own silliness, then that's something that we should do for ourselves. Yes. And then the next color is, by the way, so far, I love how that paid off right onto our lids. You can actually see that there was not much of fallout, and I specifically put it a little bit outside my lash line because we're gonna connect it towards the bottom lash line after. And then we're gonna do this after, which is kind of like a nice bronzy color. And then you just put that on. And today we're gonna do basically we're gonna use a lot of the colors from the eyeshadow palette. What do you think of that color? Yes, you'll never go wrong with bronze, by the way, because it's kind of like a good neutral for everything. Look at that! And then after that, we're now going to apply the neon shimmery color. And I love this eyeshadow palette, you know, because I mean, anything that's Viseart, again, like I've always said this before, I consider them as like the queen, the reina of the eyeshadows. Yes, because you know what? It really has a very good payoff, and me getting it on sale for the Ipsy is even better as well. Look at that, yes. And then after that, we're now gonna do our crease color, which is this. Crease is basically what's in between your eyeball and your brow bone. And we're gonna put that right there to basically serve as our transitional color. You're just gonna go back and forth, kind of like in a wiper motion. Look at that. What do you guys think so far? And then just for fun, you know what? Let's actually use this shimmery color. Let's actually use that as a highlight right under the brow. See, we're making this quick and easy, just so it's also interactive. And then after that, what we're gonna do now is, let's actually use some of this pink color. And let's actually connect that right on the crease, on the inner crease, meeting towards the inner corner of the eye. What do you guys think so far? I mean, I really love this eyeshadow palette. And you know what? Sometimes you just need to really like step outside of the box. After all, it's just makeup. Yes. And you know what? You should actually think that makeup is almost kind of like, you know what? Like your crayons. The only difference is that you do it on your face. Yes. And then after that, let's actually connect this eyeshadow right on the bottom. So let's actually start with this color again. Let's actually go back to the bronze. And then we're gonna connect that right from the outer lash line towards the inner lash line. What do you guys think of this? I mean, do you like the color combination so far? I mean, as for me, you know what? Let's just go for it, right? I mean, after all, it's makeup. It should be fun. And then after that, let's actually go back to the darker color right here. Did you guys have a great week, by the way? You know what? I just had a busy week. I just worked all week. And as you know, I actually do my makeup tutorials, or I film them on the weekend. There we go. Yes, it's doing the work. And then let's actually use the brown as our liner. And we're gonna do that right here. Exactly. Look at that. You don't really need to like even wet your brush. and the payoff is already amazing. Yes, it's giving the bang for your buck, as they say. And there you have it. On that note, let me just actually finish this eyes with some false eyelashes. Let me put some lips and I'll give my overall thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. Okay, I'll be right back. I love you. And I'm back for our final thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. Yes. So just so you know, oh my gosh, the pigments were amazing. The colors were fantastic. And you know what? I actually did not use this color. So you know what? Might as well just put a little bit on right now. Let's put a little bit right on the inner corner. Look at that. And let's put it on the other side as well. I mean, look how everything came through. So everything it's a winner. It's a check. Panalo. Yes. Panalo means a winner. So there you go. So there you have it. If you enjoyed this product review, hope that you can support this video by giving it a thumbs up. And also, if you are into unbagging, unboxing, as well as product reviews, as well as my episodes where I do an eye makeup tutorial while I discuss a specific topic that's close to my heart, hope you can consider subscribing as well. Again, my name is Alicat Castle, telling you and reminding you that you are beautiful just the way you are, with or without makeup. Yes, you are beautiful. You are maganda. I love you. Bye.